Paano kung wala ka masyadong pera? Paano kung hindi ganun kalaki yung sweldo mo? Pwede ka pa rin ba mag-invest sa stock market? Pwede ka pa rin ba kumita sa stock market? Paano mo mapapalaki ang pera mo? Kung gusto mo malaman lahat ito, panoorin mo tong video na ito. Hi everyone! So sa video na to, madami nagtatanong kasi pwede pa ba ako mag-invest sa stock market kung hindi ganun kalaki yung kita ko, hindi ganun kalaki yung ipon ko, hindi ganun kalaki yung sweldo ko. At I hope by the time na matapos tong video na to, madami kayong matutunan at ma-encourage kayo or mabigyan kayo ng strategy and principles also na pwede pa rin kayo mag-invest, pwede pa rin ba kayo kumita sa stock market. Pero before that, gusto kong basahin yung nagpadala ng question para sa video na to. Siya ay si Loida Aquino. Loida Aquino is from Pasig City, Metro Manila. So, basahin natin. Hello, Sir Marvin. This is Loida Aquino. I just make around 45,000 pesos a month after all my expenses. I have around 5,000 pesos that I can invest on a monthly basis. What do you suggest that I do? Should I still invest in the stock market even if I have a small amount that I can invest? Because of your guestings in the past years, I have learned from you, sir, not to be in debt and to have an emergency fund. So the 5,000 pesos that I have, sir, is clearly just for investing. Do you suggest I invest now or should I wait that I have more money before I invest? Is it okay to invest even if I do not have enough capital to invest in the stock market? Thank you, sir, for all that you do. I am your biggest fan, Loida Aquino, Pasig City. First of all, thank you that number one, di mo na ako tinawag na guiding light. Number two, thank you sa lahat na nagsisend na biggest fan. All that I do also is just to give as much value and content to all of you. And please also smash the like button if you like videos like this. Gusto ko simulan dito. Unang-una, it's a misconception na kailangan mo maghintay para malaki yung pera mo para kumita sa stock market. It's also a misconception na hintayin na malaki siya. Bakit? Isipin mo to, sabi mo meron kang 5,000 pesos. Gusto kong pakita sa inyo na meron sa stock market tinatawag na board lot. Yung board lot, yun yung minimum multiple of shares para makabili ka ng stock. Yung 5,000 pesos na yan, kasyang-kasya yan eh. Why? Tingnan mo to, yung bagong IPO na A-REIT, kung yung stock price ng A-REIT ay 25.8 pesos per share, makakabili ka ng shares ng A-REIT for 100 shares only. So kung i-multiply mo siya 25.8 times 100, makakabili ka ng stock ng A-REIT for 2,580 pesos only. So think about that. Hindi siya ganun kamahal as what everyone else is expecting. Another example, SMPH, 100 shares. Kung yung stock price niya 29.70, board lot of 100 times 29.70, 2,970 pesos, makakabili ka ng SM Prime Holding shares. Ano pa? Pure Gold. Ito yung interesting. Yung Pure Gold, stock price niya, 51.45. Assuming na 51.45 kayo bibili. Para makabili ng shares ng Pure Gold, kailangan nyo lang 10 shares. So meaning, 10 times 51.45, you only need around 541.50 pesos to be a shareholder of Pure Gold. Ano pa? More examples. Jollibee, JFC, largest fast food chain in the Philippines. 10 shares, also minimum. Ito pa, 10 shares, kung yung stock price niya 138 times 10, kailangan mo lang ng 1,380 pesos to be a shareholder of Jollibee. So think about that. Why do you need to wait until you hit the million mark? Why do you need to wait until you get 100,000 para mag-invest? Eh kung pwede mo na siya gawin yun kahit 5,000 lang yung pera mo. Ito pa, last, Metrobank, 100 shares. Kung yung stock price ng Metrobank ay 34.20, kailangan mo lang ng 3,420 pesos para maka-invest sa Metrobank. So yun yung gusto ko sabihin sa inyo. Hindi mo naman kailangan ng sobrang laking pera eh. Kailangan mo lang magsimula ngayon. Kailangan mo lang kung ano yung meron ka, yun yung ilagay mo, yun yung itanim mo, yun yung i-invest mo. Kahit sa Bible sinasabi, if you're faithful with little, you will be faithful with much. You need to be faithful kung anong meron ka ngayon. You need to be good kung anong meron ka ngayon. Kasi dadami rin naman yung pera nyo eh, lalaki rin naman yung pera nyo eh. Pero gusto ko sabihin, kahit wala ka masyadong ipon, kahit hindi ganun kalaki sweldo mo, pwede ka pa rin mag-invest. So I hope nakukuha nyo to, I hope you're learning from this, I hope you're getting this. Kung matagal ka na nag-invest sa market, tas alam mo to, pakishare tong video na to sa mga kaibigan mo na hindi pa to nadidinig. Kasi gusto natin makakita ng mas madaming Pilipino na nag-i-invest sa stock market. We need to see this new generation of Filipinos start to invest. That's number one. Number two, ganito. Totoo naman na yung 5,000 pesos, hindi ka makaka-retire doon. 5,000 pesos a month, hindi ka magiging milyonaryo agad-agad nun. 5,000 pesos a month, hindi mo mabibili, magagawa yung gusto mo. It's not enough also for you to live life at your own terms. So anong sinasuggest ko? You need to supplement your income. You need to create other streams of income. You need to create extra sources of income for you para kumita ka, para may pang-invest ka. Please remember this. It's the responsibility of your boss, it's the responsibility of your employer to give you job security, to give you financial security. Pero financial freedom, the ability to create multiple streams of income, that's you. That's on you. Kailangan nyo mag-create ng multiple streams of income. And just to share, no, nung nagsisimula ako, ganun ginawa ko. May sweldo ako noon, may trabaho ako noon. Pero yung ginawa ko, hindi, yung mentality ko, hindi ko inisip na dun lahat nakasalalay lahat. So ano ginawa ko? Sideline, side hustle, extra sources of income. Kahit minsan nakahiya siya. Kasi minsan yung problema sa atin, nahihiya tayo magbenta, nahihiya tayo mag-alok, nahihiya tayo to put ourselves out there, nahihiya tayo kung anong isipin ng ibang tao pag ginawa natin to. Suggestion ko sa inyo, maghanap kayo ng extra sources of income. Kahit sa internet, leverage the internet. Find ways, find areas on how you can make extra sources of income. Tapos, anong ginawa ko nun? Everything that I got from my extra sources of income, ininvest ko. Hindi ko ginastos, hindi ko pinang-enjoy, hindi ko pinambili ng rubber shoes na gusto ko, hindi ko pinambili ng gadget na gusto ko, hindi ko binili sa bagay na hindi ko masyado kailangan. Kasi alam ko andun ako sa season ng buhay ko na mas kailangan ko ng pera pang-invest. Andun ako sa season ng buhay ko ng pagtatanim. Kung naalala niyo yung mga videos ko, sinasabi ko doon, the stock market is all about volume, 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 volume. The more you put in, the better your investments will be. The more you put in, the better you will become also financially because it's a volume game. So nakita ko yun Sabi ko, instead na bili muna ako ng gadget, ipasok ko na muna sa market, invest ko na muna sa market, mamaya na ako mag-enjoy. Pag pinapanood nyo to, sinasabi, ang KJ naman ni Marvin, bakit niya gagawin yan? Bakit puro invest? Bakit puro ipon? Di na siya mag-enjoy. I knew the season I was at Nasabi ko, pwede naman ako mag-enjoy later, pwede ko naman bilhin yung iba kong gadgets na gusto ko bilhin later. Kasi bakit? Pag tinanim mo ngayon, pag naging puno yan, pag kumita yan, lahat ng bunga, pwede mo siyang, yun yung pang-enjoy mo, pero may puno ka na. Isipin mo na mabuti yun. If you're in your 20s, 30s, and 40s right now, do not waste the prime years of your life doing nothing. Do not waste the prime years of your life not putting money into the ground. You have to invest. You have to put money. You have to double down right here, right now. So suggestion ko, kung tingin mo you want more, don't just limit yourself to 5,000. Get an extra job, get a side hustle, and reinvest that, and put that into the ground and invest it. Number 3, what if you still want more? Or what if wala ka pa maisip na business? What if wala ka pa maisip na side hustle? What if you don't know ano pwede mong gawin, how to increase income? The next thing that you can do is make a budget. You need to have a budget. Inisip na ibang tao, corny naman yan, budget, ganun, yayaman ako pag nag-budget ako. A budget is a written plan on how you want to go about your spending. A budget is a written plan kung saan pupunta yung gastusin mo. A budget is a written plan on how you will fulfill kung ano man yung papasok sa'yo. At eto technique doon. Kung tingin mo nasa season ka ng buhay mo na kailangan mo pa ng pera, kailangan mo pa mag-invest, hatiin mo yung budget, needs and wants. Of course, lahat ng needs kailangan mo tustusan. Lahat ng needs kailangan mo allocate ng budget. Pero lahat ng want, magkakaiba tayo ng wants It could be Netflix, it could be yung kape, it could be yung mamahalin mo na binibili na hindi mo masyado kailangan. Kung tingin mo na sa season ka ng buhay mo na pag kailangan mo mag-invest sa stock market, lahat ng considered wants, tanggalin mo. I-invest mo. So imagine, gano'ng kalaki yung pera mo pag meron kang 5,000 pesos na galing sa sweldo mo, na extra. What if meron ka pang side hustles na you reinvest? But what if also meron ka pang extra na tinanggal mo na pwede mong ilagay? Para sa akin, yun yung isa sa pinakasimple na paraan kung paano ka makakapaglagay ng pera sa stock market ngayon. Kung meron kang pwedeng pagtipiran na pwede mong invest, yung surplus nun, you put it down. And yun din yung ginawa ko. So lahat ng sinishare ko sa'yo, these are things that I did. From my salary, when I was starting out, meron din akong pinasok. Pero naghanap din ako ng extra sources of income. Pero nagtipid din ako. It's all about seasons. It's all about knowing where you are. So please remember this. Kunyari, wala kang extra source of income. Wala kang extra. Pero may natitipid ka. Yung pwedeng mangyari doon through the years is, dahil nag-i-invest ka, dahil nagtitrade ka, gagaling ka rin Habang gumagaling ka, kahit wala kang linalagay, kahit hindi ka nagdadagdag ng mas malaki, mapapalaki mo rin siya organically based dun sa perang binigay mo. Kasi pag naglagay ka ng 5,000, tapos sabihin natin nagtipid ka, tinanggal mo yung wants mo, nakatipid ka ng 3,000, meron kang 8,000 naman. So 8,000 times 10 is 80,000, times 12, that's around 96,000 pesos. Kung mapalaki mo, example lang, ng 10% a year, so that means meron kang extra 8,800 na pwede mong ipasok ulit sa market. Suggestion ko pag kumita kayo sa market, please guys, huwag nyo tanggalin. Ipasok nyo, ibalik nyo yun. Yun yung power nun The power of making money in the market is by putting money consistently, trading properly, but as you start making more money, you put everything back in, you pile it back in, you pile it back in, you pile it back in. Kasi volume yung labanan, volume yung laro. Totoo, 5,000 pesos, hindi masyado lalaki yung pera mo pag 5,000 lang, pero give it time, it's gonna get bigger, it's gonna get better, it's gonna get stronger. Lastly, what if talagang 5,000 lang malalagay mo? Wala kang makuhang extra source of income, tapos hindi mo na matanggal yung wants. Yun lang talaga pwede mo ma-invest. Ano suggestion ko? Invest ka pa rin. Do not despise small beginnings. No matter if that's 5,000 pesos, guess what? Habang nag-i-invest ka ngayon, kahit maliit yun, you're building the skill, you're building the experience, you're building the acumen, you are massively getting better. So what does that mean? By the time na dumating yung pera, by the time na alam mo na yung gagawin sa pera mo, by the time na na-promote ka, by the time may nag-invite sa'yo sa isang company na mas malaking sweldo, na mas malaki na yung take home mo, hindi ka nag-start from zero. That's why, never ka maghintay na lumaki sweldo mo bago ka mag-invest. Kailangan mo na mag-start ngayon. Kasi pag lumaki sweldo mo, may extra ka na panglalagay, meron ka ng larger capital, pero hindi lang larger capital meron ka. Meron ka ng skill, meron ka ng experience, meron ka ng acumen. That's a deadly and powerful combination. Large capital, skill, experience. The right person with the right money, knowing what to do with it, will become very, very rich. So, wag mong hintayin na yumaman ka bago ka mag-invest. Mag-invest ka ngayon, habang dumami pera mo, invest mo ulit yun, tapos saka kayayaman. Mali yung prinsipyo ng ibang tao na they're waiting for a jackpot. Do not wait for a jackpot to happen. Be consistent, be disciplined, that you don't need a jackpot to get rich. Kasi if you notice it, ano yung ginagawa ng mga tao na yumaman? Majority of them galing din naman sa wala eh. Hindi naman sila naging mayaman nung nagsimula sila eh. Pero yung hindi pinag-uusapan ng madaming tao, they were consistent, they were disciplined. Nung lahat ng tao hindi naniniwala sa kanila, nagtatrabaho sila, nagsisave sila, nag-i-invest sila. At kung ikaw yun, kung tingin mo, hindi rin ganun kalaki yung pera mo, never let your background define what you will be in the future. Never let your past define what you can do and what your future will be. You have a great future ahead of you. You just have to start right here, right now. You need to invest. You need to build the right assets right here, right now. You need to build a stockpile of cash. You need to build a stockpile of money so that if you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, you already have something na nakatanim. You already have something na lumalaban para sa'yo. The name of the game is more assets, more streams of income. And the only way you get to do it is you start today. No matter if it's 5,000 pesos. And don't get me wrong, 5,000 is amazing. But if you're a person listening and watching this, na tingin mo 1,000 lang pera mo, simula ka pa rin. Go for it. Do it. Don't let the concept of other people saying na kailangan mo na sobrang laking pera para mag-start. Don't do that. Start today. Plant it. You will come back to this video 20 years from now. And as you see it, buti na lang nag-start ako na maaga. Buti na lang nag-start ako kahit nakakatakot, kahit may recession, kahit may crisis. I hope you learned a lot today. By the way, ako si Marvin Germo, isa akong stock market trader and investor at nag-invest ako sa market for more than 10 years now. Gumagawa ako ng mga videos about stock trading and investing at araw-araw ako naglalabas ng video. Meron akong 2 channel. Kung gusto nyong matuto pa lalo, like, share, subscribe at tamaan ang kampana, hampasin ang kampana, durugin ang kampana para ma-update ka every time na naglalabas ako ng video on a daily basis. Kasi yung heart ng channel na to is to give you as much insight, as much information, so you get to trade the markets with confidence. Huwag na natin hintayin para maging maayos sa ekonomiya. Gawin na natin ngayon ang pwede natin gawin para ma-reach ang goals natin for financial freedom. Tulad ni Lloyd, kung meron din kayong mga questions, lagay nyo lang sa comment section, comment below, and I will try to answer them. Or I can send you a link dun sa mga past videos na nagawa ko na para masagot yung tanong mo. Or kung meron kang personal na question, slide a DM in Instagram. Instagram account ko is @MarvinGermo. Parang awa nyo na, walang nagpa-follow sa akin dun. So please slide a DM there. You can ask your questions, whatever you want, and I'll try to accommodate as much questions as I can. Next, kung gusto nyo matuto pa sa stock market, I have 5 books: Basics of the Market, Fundamental Analysis, Technical Analysis. They're all available in Shopee. They're all in the description below. You can click them along with other playlists that I have in YouTube about fundamentals and technicals. You can click them to be led there, and if you want to learn more about it. And for those that want to invest in the US stock market, I have a link below. It's called eToro. eToro allows you to buy Amazon, Google, Facebook, Zoom, and other US stocks out there. Ito pa, minimum amount is only $50 only. And lastly, online courses in collaboration with Chinkitan and Shansi. Nasa description din siya lahat para sa mga taong gusto matuto from a webinar-based format. I hope that this video gave you enough insight and information on how you can trade the markets with confidence. At pwede kang magsimula kung nasan ka man. Again, never, ever, 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 ever limit the amount that you have in your wallet to let you start investing. Start today. Put in money today. At I hope madami kayong natutunan sa video na to. Ito si Marvin Germo telling you to trade well, trade strong, trade smart. Mga lakal ng mabuti, mga lakal ng malakas at makalakal ng matalino. See you all again soon guys and God bless you all.